should I put a live? Now what is this? Okay, right is okay. Hi everyone. Is this so okay? What all I have? Hi everyone. Please share the live with your friends. Come on guys, come on, come on, come on. Hurry up. Share the live with your friends. We have first question here. Which of the following is equivalent to 0.03% of 4? So you can try out this question. You only have 30 seconds to answer that. You have been given 4 options. That's 0.12, 0.012, or is it 0.0012, or it's option D. Come on guys, you only have 30 seconds to answer that. Hurry up, faster, faster, faster. And your time starts now. Quickly. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop, 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 stop. Time up. Alright, which of the following is equivalent to 0.03% of 4? So we are just going to solve it. 0.03%. Percent means out of 100. Per 100. Cent is a Latin root word for 100. That means it's per 100. That's out of 100. Whatever number is there, 0.03 is out of 100. Of 4. Of usually we multiply with 4. So now we're going to multiply. That will 3 times 4 is 12. And divided by 100 will only give you 0.0012. And your answer is C. That's right. Alright, let's see if you can answer question number 2. 1 over 400 equals to either 0.25%, 0.025%, or 0.0025%, or is it option D? You have 30 seconds to answer that. Come on guys. Chat, chat. One over 400, you need to convert it to percentage. And how do you convert a fraction to a percent? So whenever you have 1 over 400, always a fraction has to be multiplied by 100 to convert it into a percentage. So 1 over 4 multiplied by 100 will give you 100 over 4. That's just 0.25%. That's 1/4%. That's 0.25%. Your answer is A. 1/4 is 25, that's 25%, that's 0.25%. Okay, the question number 3 here says the quantities x and y are positive. If x is decreased by 20% and y is increased by 20%, then the product of x and y is unchanged, or is it decreased by 4%, or is it increased by 5%, or is it decreased by 6%? Come on guys, you all can try this. You only have 30 seconds to answer that question. Come on, come on, come on, faster guys, faster. Alright, so let us solve that. Question number 3. Thank you so much, Abhi. Alright, we are on question number 3. So the quantities x and y are positive. If x is decreased by 20% and y is increased by 20%, then the product of x and y is what? Is it unchanged, decreased by 4%, increased by 5%, or decreased by 6%? So it says that x is decreased by 20%. So we are going to take x decreased by 20%. So minus 20 times x. 20% of x. 20% can be written as 0.2. Percent is out of 100. 20 divided by 100. So 0 zeros, that gives you 0.2 x. So we have an expression like this. X minus 0.2x. Then that's equal to 0.8x. Y is increased by 20%, so y plus 20% of y, that's equal to y plus 0.2y. 1 plus 0.2y will give you 1.2y. Now they are asking you the product of x and y is what? So we have 0.8x and we have 1.2y. So we're going to find out the product of that. 0.8x times 1.2y, that will give us 0.96y. So the product is decreased by 4%. 0.96, it's 96%. 100 minus 96 is 4%. It's decreased by 4%. Alright, let's see if we can answer question number 4. By what percent is 4.5 times 10 over 5? 10 raised to 5 greater than 9 times 10 raised to 4. You have been given 4 options. That's 200%, 400%, 500%, or 600%. So you can try this question out. Come on, guys. Okay, by what percent is 4.5 times 10 raised to 5 greater than this? So all we have to do is divide 4.5, 10 raised to 5. 4.5 into 10 raised to 5, just to check what's the ratio. 9 times 10 raised to 4, that will give you 5. Okay, you have a scalar, that's 5. So let us write down 4.5 into 10 raised to 5 can be equal to 9 times 10 raised to 4 times 5. Alright, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this 5 into 1 and 4. Is that right? 9 times 10 raised to 4 multiplied by 1 plus 4 times 9 times 10 raised to 4. So I have 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Now that 4.5 10 raised to 5 is greater than 9 times 10 raised to 4. How many times it is greater than that? So 4.5 into 10 raised to 5 is equal to this. It's more 400%. That's your answer, B. So 9 times 10 raised to 4 is 400% of 9 times 10 raised to 4. That's what is the meaning of. Okay, so that's 400% greater than this one. Okay, let's solve question number 5. The temperature increased from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the percent increase in temperature? So you have been given 4 options. That's 15%, 50 over 3%, 20%, 70 over 3%. So let us solve this question. Percentage increase. How do you find percentage increase in temperature? So whenever you have a percentage increase, that's equal to amount of increase, how much it has increased. Amount of increase divided by the original amount what was there. That's how we find out percentage increase. Alright, so the amount of increase is given by 72 minus 60. I'm going to write down that. Original amount is already 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So now 72 minus 60 will give me 12 divided by 60. That's equal to 1 over 5. 1 over 5 is equal to 0.2. 0.2, which is how much in percentage? That's 20%. Oh my god, that's C. Meaning your answer is C, 20%. 1 over 5 is 0.2, that's 20%. Okay, let's solve question number 6. This year's enrollment in Mesa School District is 6,000, which is 20% higher than last year's. What was last year's enrollment in Mesa School District? Okay, so let us solve the question. First of all, understanding the question is very important. This year's enrollment in Mesa School District is 6,000. Which is 20% higher than last year's. What was the last year's enrollment in Mesa School District? So let x equals to last year's enrollment in the Mesa School District. Alright, so we are denoting it with x. Guys, if at all you have any queries or anything related to any topics in maths, you can message me on Instagram. It is the same ID on Instagram, lklogic_maths. So if at all you have any questions or would like to join any classes or anything, you can message me on Insta. Let x equals to last year's enrollment. Now what are we going to do? 6,000 were enrolled this year. Enrollment is 6,000, which is how many percent? 20% higher than the last year's. Last year was x plus 20% more. Is that right? Yes. So 6,000 equals to x plus 0.2x. Okay, so 6,000 equals to 1 plus 0.2, that's 1.2x. So x equals to 6,000 divided by 1.2, that's equal to 5,000. So what was the last year's enrollment? That was 5,000. It increased by 20%. That was 6,000 this year. Okay, let's try out question number 7. If 125% of x is 80 and x is n% of 400, what is the value of n? Come on, let's try this question out. For question number 7, it says 125%. Percent means per 100, that's out of 100. 125% of x is equal to 80. That means 125 per 100 out of 100 multiplied. Of is usually taken as multiplication of x equals to 80. Now what is x? We are going to find out that x is equal to 80. This is 1.25. 80 divided by 1.25 is equal to 64. Alright, so we have found what is the value of x. Now it says x is n% of 400. So let's write down x is equal to n% of 400. N%, that is n per 100 out of 100 multiplied by 400. That's right. And we already have the value of x, that is equal to 64. Now we're going to 0 is just cancelled out, and we are going to substitute the value of x. That 64 equals to 4n. So n is equal to 64 divided by 4, that's equal to 16.